Gentle tones drift through the trees, carried softly by the breeze. In the meadow where the wildflowers bloom, birds sing sweetly nature's tune. Sunlight dances on the flowing stream, lost in the heart of a tranquil dream. Listen closely to the whispers of the wind, nature's melody where all begins. Flute notes floating, calming the soul. In this serene moment we become whole. Clouds embrace the sky so wide, mountains stand tall, our faithful guide. Echoes of laughter in the shade, in this haven memories are made. Close your eyes, let your worries wane, feel the rhythm of the falling rain. Each breath of life, an endless song. In this paradise we all belong. As the day turns into